So you guys, I just got home. I had a very long day today. I just got home and I walk into my room. This is what I see. Yeah, somebody left their fur beast here. So I wonder what they're up to with this. Looks like Canacolon Moda acrylic fiber hair and brown. Interesting. So, man, I am so happy to be home. I've had a long day. It's like 7 o'clock and I'm doing a number of relaxing things, you know? I mean, for starters, I'm Skyping Bay and he's over there cleaning with his sexy self. Do you see that chocolate right there? And then I got me some lemonade. I really like this brand of lemonade. It's Calypso, it's ocean blue, and I probably got a lot of bad chemicals, but hey, kill yourself, spoil yourself for a couple times in life, you feel me? I went to Togo's and got me a lemon pepper tuna sandwich, and I got some chips I've been eating off from Trader Joe's. So I'm about to have a Skype movie feast right in here in my bed. Well, I'm about to go get a plate and my little tabletop, but yeah, we about to be lit right here. So I got a tuna sandwich from Togo's. I can't eat Subway. It's just like disgusting to me. You know what, you guys, comment below. Tell me, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think Subway changed its food because something happened in the past year and it's just never been the same? Like, I understood that Subway had fake food, but, and excuse my Skype right here, but in the past year, their food just got nasty. So anyway, I went to Togo's and got a tuna sandwich with like veggies, pickles, jalapenos and stuff. So happy and hungry. So I just left the recording studio. I've been at school all day from like 7:55 in the morning till now. It's about 6. You know, it is crunch time. It's the end of the semester, 3 weeks of saved grades. I had a lot of, what am I trying to say? I had a lot of credit. I had a lot of assignments due. I had 2 recording assignments and an extra credit. So it took me like 2 hours to knock all that stuff out. And yeah, we're here. We're trying to finish this semester off strong. And yeah, that's update on me. So I'm heading back home right now. Super tired, but it was definitely worth it. So yeah, that's about it.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dina. Happy birthday to you. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's actual ice.
If you go and open the door, you can...
It is actually ice. What kind of weather is this? So, class is over. My journalism class is over and I'm heading to media. I'm so hungry for some reason, But yeah, I don't really have anything going today. I forgot today was the job fair, so I came unprepared. So there is that opportunity. But I also applied for some more internships, and I got an interview from this one internship I really want. So they told me to come in Friday and dress casual, which is so cool because now I get to, instead of like wearing professional wear, not that I'm not going to keep it professional, but I get to express myself through my clothes and my style for my interview, which is a creative digital interview, which is pretty cool. So that's that.
I gotta shake him like that because he'll try to fly up.
Oh, look at him. So what are you gonna do with him? What are you gonna do with him?
I'll probably keep him a little bit and let him get a little stronger and let him go.
Yo, you just gotta get up early.
How many times do you have to feed it? Like every 3 hours?
3 times a day.
Every 30 minutes.
Every 30.
Every 30 minutes.
You know, don't make me get upset.